Very good morning, students. Our today's general knowledge topic is National Academies. Lalit Kala Academy, Sangeet Natak Academy, National School of Drama and Sahitya Academy. All these four academies we are going to discuss throughout the topic. In this video, we are going to discuss about Lalit Kala Academy and Sangeet Natak Academy. Here you can see the images of Lalit Kala Academy. Lalit Kala Academy. To promote and propagate understanding of Indian art, both within and outside the country, the Government of India established Lalit Kala Academy, which is the National Academy of Arts, at New Delhi in 1954. The academy has regional centers called Rashtriya Lalit Kala Kendras at Lucknow, Kolkata, Chennai, Garhi in New Delhi and Bhubaneswar, with workshop facilities in painting, sculpture, printmaking and ceramics. Let us discuss about Sangeet Natak Academy. Here you can see the images of Sangeet Natak Academy. Sangeet Natak Academy, the external website of this is also available to get more information about it. You can search for the detailed information of the Sangeet Natak Academy. India's National Academy of Music, Dance and Drama may be regarded as a pioneer in the process of creation of modern India that led politically to India's freedom in 1947. So, the ephemeral quality of the arts and the need for their preservation led to the adapting of a democratic system in which a common man had the opportunity to learn, practice and propagate the art. Within the first few decades of the 20th century, public perception of responsibility for both preservation and development of the arts had started inclining towards the state. Very good morning, students. In our previous video, we have discussed about Lalit Kala Academy and Sangeet Natak Academy. In this video, we are going to discuss about National School of Drama and Sahitya Academy. The National School of Drama, here you can see the images of it. Is one of the foremost theatre institutions in the world, and the only one of its kind in India was set up by Sangeet Natak Academy in the year 1959. Later in the year 1975, it became an autonomous organization totally financed by Department of Culture. The objective of National School of Drama is to train students in all aspects of theatre, including theatre history, production, scene design, costume design, lighting, makeup, etc. The training course at National School of Drama is of 3 years duration. Each year, 20 students are admitted to the course. The eligible applicants for admission to the course are screened through 2 stages. The Diploma of National School of Drama is recognized by the Association of Indian Universities as equivalent to MA degree for appointments as teachers in colleges or universities and for purposes of registration for PhD. Sahitya Academy. Here you can see the images of it. Sahitya Academy is the Indian National Academy of Letters meant to promote the cause of Indian literature through publications, translations, seminars, workshops, cultural exchange programs, and literary meets, which are organized all over the country. The Academy was founded in March 1954 as an autonomous body fully funded by the Department of Culture. It was registered as a society in the year 1956 under the Societies Registration Act SRA in the year 1860. The Academy has recognized 24 languages. It has an advisory board for each of the languages that suggest various programs and publications in the concerned languages. There are 4 regional boards to promote regional interaction among the languages of the North, West, East, and South. Besides its head office in New Delhi, it has 4 offices in Kolkata, Mumbai, Bangalore, and Chennai. The Academy has 2 translation centers at Bangalore and Kolkata. Besides a project office at Shillong for promotion of oral and tribal literature and an archives of Indian literature in Delhi, it maintains a unique multilingual library in New Delhi and at its regional offices at Bangalore and Kolkata, which are having about 1.5 lakh books in over 25 languages. So this is all about national academies. So here we have been discussed about the 4 national academies which are very important, and everyone should know about these national academies. Lalit Kala Academy, Sangeet Natak Academy, National School of Drama, and Sahitya Academy. Thank you.